I'm trying to show here how we repair the bowed-in block walls that we use the cold rolled steel I-beams weighing about 125 pounds apiece. We put these up against the wall, bolted at the bottom and the top. We put the white plastic on the wall to reflect any water that may squirt through the wall, put it down into the waterproofing. And we have to take the floor out first, so we take the floor out and now we're putting it back in, as you can see in the video. It's almost done here at this point.